Hi everyone, this is Miss Lessie at the Chandler Library, and today we're going to learn how to make crystals using borax, really hot water, boiling hot water, pipe cleaners, stirring stick, I think that's all we should need, and the food coloring as well. So the first thing you want to do is you want a cup of water that you want to have boiled. Once you've boiled your hot water, you're going to put it in the jar. The next thing you're going to need is 3 to 4 tablespoons of borax. Now you can go ahead and put it in your jar already, or you can pre-mix it in a bowl and then put it into your jar. 2, 3, I'll do 4. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to stir it. It's really important to stir it until it's all dissolved. You don't want any clumps in it. Another reason why it's important to have the water hot is it's going to dissolve easier in hot water than it does cool water. If your water is too cool, when you dump this in, it will all clump together and it won't work out and you'll have to toss your batch out. Now if you want to have some color with your crystals, you can use food coloring. I'm going to use green for mine. Green in there. You want to stir it in there. Make sure it's mixed really well. You can mix your colors too, so if you want to have an orange, you can mix your yellow and red, or if you want to have a purple, you can mix your blue and red. Or if you want your color darker, you can just add more food coloring to it as well. If you don't add food coloring, your crystals are going to turn out white, or maybe even a see-through color. The next thing you're going to do is you want to already go ahead and make a shape of some sort with your pipe cleaners. I've made a not so great star that I'm going to put in here. Now you can use string to suspend it from your jar, but what I did was I created these little hooks here that will hook onto the top. So, one of the other important things about this is that you want it completely submerged in your water. Whatever you don't have submerged in your water will not crystallize. Thank you, extra hand. Go. There it is. Nope. That's not what's wrong. Alright. So now that it's submerged in there, it'll take about 12 to 24 hours to actually crystallize, but you have to leave it in there so it can actually form. What happens is the chemical reaction will end up building up on top of your pipe cleaners, and it'll end up starting to crystallize. And you'll be able to watch that happen as it goes. Thank you for watching.